Nano Banana can actually generate 16 by 9 images without you even specifying the aspect ratio in the prompt. That's pretty amazing. Let me show you how. To access Nano Banana, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Click on Try Nano Banana. From here, you can either upload your own images to refine them, or, like in this demo, we'll use pure text. Now, before generating an image, make sure to click on Auto and select the aspect ratio you want, whether it's 1 by 1, 9 by 16, 16 by 9, and more. For this tutorial, let's pick 16 by 9. I'll use the default sample prompt. Generate an image of a banana wearing a costume. And as you can see, the output is in 16 by 9. At first, I thought Nano Banana could only do 1 by 1. But after experimenting, I discovered this setting. Now, if you're into African folktales, you can also generate your own visuals. For example, here's a prompt of an African woman. Let me switch the setting to 9 by 16, paste in the prompt, and hit run. Wow! The result is a perfect 9 by 16 portrait image. So that's it. Nano Banana makes it easy to create images in any aspect ratio you want. No reference image required. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment, the better your results will get. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and drop a comment below. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning.